So I apologize, I didn't finish practice 7B. There was a third task that I forgot to do. So we're going to do that now. We're going to open Floor 1 reference. I'm going to expand the view. I'm going to type CA just to zoom the whole view. And now in the View tab, we're going to go back to the Create panel and we're going to create some callouts. We're going to add callouts around all the stairs and the restrooms. So callout, and then we're going to click around the stair here. And again, when you're doing this, make sure that you're zooming in too, just so I can read everything. Now, you're going to want to adjust that callout tag so that it looks like the figure in the book. Again, you can't read callouts when they're in a building like this. You have to pull them to the outside into some white space. This is what you'll be expected to do when you go to draft and affirm. They're going to want you to move the tags so that they're easy to read. So there's one call out for the stair. We're going to place another call out over here where it says stair 2. And then we're going to place a third call out in the bathrooms. So the bathrooms are right here where it says men's and women's. It's also labeled in the figure in your book. So men's and women's, oops. And then go ahead and move that call out over into white space so that you can read it. Alright, so then go ahead and zoom in on all those views so you can get screenshots of the stairs and then maybe show an overall view that shows all of the call outs. The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to name every single one of those views for clarity. So over in the project browser, if we click on this view, call out 1, this is the stair, so it says to rename this Floor 1, Stair 1. Say OK. I'm going to click on the next call out. This is Stair 2, so we're going to rename this Floor 1, Stair 2. Say OK. And then the last call out, this is going to be the bathrooms. And we're going to rename this. It says Floor 1, Restrooms. Again, callouts are going to be used so that we can really detail the area that is being called out. So it's an enlarged plan view. So if this is an enlarged plan view of the restrooms, that's going to allow us to really zoom in on the details of the restrooms and show some dimensions that are specifically required in restrooms. Same thing with stairs. So stairs have to meet code. We're probably going to want to show the width of the stairs and some information about the handrails in here. And it would just get too mucked up if we did it on the floor plan. So we create these smaller floor plan views, which are drawn at a larger scale to help us to show that information. So now that is actually the end of practice 7B.